So let's start the software review on my OnePlus One. Well, I'm using the screencast app to record the screen. This app comes built-in from OnePlus and you don't have to root your phone. In other phones like Nexus 4 or Samsung Galaxy series, you have to root your phone to use such apps like Screencast. This OnePlus One is currently running CM12S, which is based on Android 5.0.2 Lollipop. The difference between pure Google Android and Cyanogen's Android version is the features and gestures that are provided by Cyanogen and its CM Android version. So let's start with features and gestures of CM12S. Well, the first feature that I'm going to tell you is of notification swipe. If you swipe from the left of the screen or from the center of the screen, you will get the notification panel. But if you swipe from the right of your screen, you will get quick settings. So this is very useful feature in CM12S. Well, this feature was seen on CM11S and it continues to get on CM12S. For quick settings, if you want to turn off your Wi-Fi or turn on your Bluetooth, you can quickly swipe from right and turn it on. If you want to connect to any Bluetooth device, you can quickly swipe from right, go to Bluetooth and you can connect it. So this is a very useful feature that I found on CM12S. The next feature that I found on my OnePlus One is in quick settings. When I go to my quick settings, the icon that is displayed over here can be accessible to its settings. For example, if I touch the battery icon, it will take me to the battery settings. If I touch the time, it will take me to the clock app. And if I touch the weather info, it will take me to the weather widget from Yahoo. So this is very interesting that I found on my OnePlus One. The next feature that I found on my OnePlus One is display and lights. Go to settings and display and lights. Here you will see three things are new in display and lights. First is battery light, second is notification light, and third is sunlight enhancement. Let's go to battery light. In battery light, you will see that you can change the color of your battery status. Like if the battery is low, you can change the color and keep whatever you want. Currently it's a red color, so when the battery is low, it will show me red color. When it's charging, it will show me yellow color. When it is fully charged, it will show me green color. So I can customize the battery LED notification light. The next feature is notification light. When I go to notification light, I will see that I can turn the notification light off and on. Even I can change the default notification light color. This will be used for those apps who don't have LED notification settings in their app. Also, I can turn the custom values on and off, and in that I will get to change the color of missed call that I get and of the voicemail. I can change the color of notification light for missed call and voicemail. The next feature is sunlight enhancement. This feature is used under bright sunlight. When you are under bright sunlight, it will enhance the display brightness and readability. For example, if there is any text on the screen that you are viewing and you are under bright sunlight, you won't be able to see the text properly. So you can use this feature, and this feature will enhance the brightness of the text and it will decrease the brightness of the background that is behind the text, so you can see the text properly. So you will be able to view the text properly and read it perfectly. The next important feature in OnePlus One is themes. Go to settings and select themes. Here you will see a bunch of themes. You can customize each and every theme from status bar to boot animation. It includes icons, fonts, navigation, wallpaper, controls, lock screen wallpaper, ringtone, notification, alarm. You can customize from top of the phone to bottom of the phone. If I want to customize the navigation, I will select navigation and select one of the navigation icon. I will select system and back and I will make changes. And see, the navigation is changed. Navigation buttons are changed. So this way I can use it. The next important feature is App Themer. App Themer is in themes in the settings. You will find App Themer below in the screen. When you select App Themer, an App Themer icon will be appeared on the screen and you can drag it anywhere you want. Now what does this App Themer do? Suppose you want a certain app like settings to be the style of some other theme. Then you just have to select App Themer and select the theme you want. I will select modern and the settings has changed to modern. If I want it to be the system, I will go to the app themer icon and select it and select system. So this way the app themer works. There is another important feature in themes and it is shop themes. You will find shop themes at the below of screen. When you select shop themes, a shop theme store will open and you can see there are some premium themes and there are some free themes. You can install it and apply. Next is notification manager. If you want to hide or show the content of the notification of any app either on the lock screen or on the notification panel, then you can enable and disable it from app notifications. Just go to app notifications and select the app that you want to enable or disable. For example, I will select this one. First option is block. If I enable this option, then I will never get notification from this app. Second option is show on lock screen. If I enable this option, then I will get the notification even on my lock screen. When my phone is on priority mode and I want to get the notifications of this app, then I have to enable the fourth option, that is priority, and I will get the notification even when my phone is on priority mode. And the last option is sensitive. When the device is locked, it will hide the content of the notification from this app. So no one will be able to see the content of this app. You got the notification and at the same time you touched the clear all notification button. So now you want to know which notification was that you got last. In order to know this, follow the steps. Go to settings, go to notification manager and go to filter notifications. There you will see a bell like icon on the top right corner. Select it and there will be notification log. You will see all the notifications over here which are pending and which you forgot to see. So you can get to know which was that last notification that you missed. This feature I found very useful in my OnePlus One. Another great feature that I found on my OnePlus One is switching between on-screen nav buttons and off-screen nav buttons. Right now I am using on-screen nav buttons. So to use another nav buttons, go to settings, go to buttons and there you will see enable on screen nav buttons is turned on. Turn it off and you will see that the three buttons that were at the bottom of the screen has disappeared. Now the off screen nav buttons has appeared on my phone and I can use it. Like it went back and back, and I can minimize, I can recent apps. The third button was for recent apps. So go to settings and go to buttons. If you are a Nexus user, then you will like the on screen nav buttons, and if you are a Samsung or HTC user, then you will like the off screen nav buttons. So I'm a Nexus user and I've switched from Nexus 4 to OnePlus 1, so I will be using the on screen nav buttons. The another feature that I found using on screen nav button is that I can edit between the buttons. I can add two more buttons at the bottom of the screen by going to buttons and layouts and choosing edit, and there you will see the two options are available at the bottom. When I select the first plus sign, you will see there are three options available: empty button, search button and menu button. I have selected the search button. When I go to second plus sign, you will see there are two options available. One is the empty button and second is the menu button. When I select the menu button, you will see there is a menu option available at the bottom. When I save it, you will see there are five options available. One is the search button. Google Now will be activated. One is the back button. One is the minimize button. One is the recent app button. And one is the menu button. So these buttons can be customized according to your need. I like only three buttons that are the default buttons, so I will restore the defaults, and I like the three buttons at the bottom of my screen. Another feature that I found new was navigation ring targets. When you hold the home button, you will see that there are three options available. One is the WhatsApp, second is the Google, and third is the hike. I can edit those options. Go to edit in navigation ring targets and you will see the three options have popped up. Now select any one of the options that you want to edit. The middle one, that is the Google, it will be default and it will stay, it won't go away. If you select WhatsApp, you will see there's an option first which says none if you want to keep nothing over there. But when you select the Google, there is no option none, so it will be set as default. When you select WhatsApp, there will be option select application. You can select any application instead of WhatsApp, and if you don't want to select any application, you can select the any other option given below, like Google Now, toggle torch, take screenshot, or kill app, etc. You can select any one of this. Same you can do on the other side, which is hike. You can select any application instead of hike and select any of the options given below. The apps that you use in daily life can be quickly accessible. After you have done the editing, you can save it by selecting that option. Next feature is gestures. When you select gestures, you will see three gestures are available to you. First is camera, second is music, and third is flashlight. You can enable and disable it from here. That means you can turn it on and off from here. So let's see the gestures and how they work. Feature, and CM12S continues to get those great features. This includes double tap to wake up the screen and double tap to sleep. Draw a V to turn the flashlight on, and draw V again to turn it off, and draw a circle to get the camera app started. See, we can use pause sign to play and pause the music. See, and we can do the same to pause the music. Just do a pause sign to play and do a pause sign again to pause the music. And we can forward the music while it's playing or while it's not playing. We can play the next track. Also, we can play the previous track by doing a previous sign. The volume is low, so the starting sound was little bit low. These all were the features and gestures that we can use when the screen is off. Another feature that I found interesting was users. You can add as many users as you want, like we do on laptops. So it's very easy. If 2-3 people are using one phone, then they can add users and they can personally use their phone according to their need. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you have any doubts related to this video, you can tell me in the comment section below and I will clear all your doubts. The next video is coming soon and it's on OnePlus One review test. It will include performance test, camera test and gaming test. So if you have any doubts related to it, you can tell me in the comment section and I will clear all your doubts in the next video. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel to get the updates of the videos that are coming in future. So subscribe to my channel and share this video. Thanks for watching it. Peace.